To fix a router that won't turn on, start by checking the power cord and outlet to ensure they are working properly. Verify that the power cord is securely plugged into both the router and the wall outlet. Try plugging the router into a different outlet to rule out any issues with the electrical supply. Next, check the power button on the router to ensure it is functioning correctly. If the power button is stuck or damaged, it may not be sending the signal to turn on the router. Try pressing the power button for an extended period to see if it will turn on. If the router still won't turn on, check for any signs of physical damage, such as burn marks, broken antennas, or damaged ports. If you find any damage, it may be necessary to replace the router. Another possible cause is overheating, which can prevent the router from turning on. Check the router's vents and fans to ensure they are not clogged with dust or debris. Use compressed air to clean out any blockages and allow the router to cool down. It's also possible that the router's firmware has become corrupted, preventing it from turning on. Check the manufacturer's website for any firmware updates and follow their instructions to update the firmware. If none of these steps work, try resetting the router to its factory settings. This will restore the router to its original configuration and may resolve any issues that are preventing it from turning on. To reset the router, press and hold the reset button for a few seconds until the lights on the router start flashing. Finally, if none of these steps work, it may be necessary to contact the manufacturer or a professional for further assistance. They can help diagnose the issue and provide a solution to get your router up and running again. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your router and get your Wi-Fi modem turning on again.